All right, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're gonna learn about math today. So, judging by this image here, you probably have a little guess of what we're gonna learn about today. So, as you guys know, this is a clock. Now, can you tell me what the name of this part of the clock is? Gigi. Yes, Gigi. Excuse me. This is called a face of a clock. So there's no hands here. So or there's nothing else on the clock. So this is a face. Now let's move on over to this clock here. Now these lines here, well, what are they called? Yes, Ariel. Oh, can you speak up a little louder? See, we can hear you. Okay, yeah, they're pointers, but they tell time. But to give it an easier name to better identify it, we call these two lines hands. So the purpose of these hands is to help us identify what time it is. Now, can someone tell me what time is it right now posed on this clock? Yes, Micah. It's 3 o'clock. Okay, and you're probably like trying to determine how did you identify it's 3 o'clock? Like, what hands did you had to look at? Now I want you to like talk to your team partner and discuss the difference between the hour hand and the minute hand. Go. Okay, so you guys just talked about the difference between the minute and hour hand, so it can help you identify what time it is, what hour and what minute it is. Now, you guys can clearly see the numbers on the clock, right? 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, as you guys know, like each number on this clock, it represents like every 5 minutes. So when you start at the number 12 here, it's 0, but then you go to 1, it adds up to 5, so it's 5. So it's 0, 5. Now, can you guys count to 5 with me? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Very good. Now, what I want you guys to do is bring out your little yellow clocks. All right. So, now that we talked about the concept of the clock, I want you guys to identify how do you put together 3 o'clock on your yellow clock. Put it together in your yellow clock and then put it up in the air so I can see.
Wait, 3 o'clock?
Yes, 3 o'clock. Dylan. Can I see 3 o'clock, please, on your clock? Okay, I see most of you put up 3 o'clock on your yellow clocks, and you guys did very well. So, you guys have a, if you guys have your yellow clock set up like this, that is correct. Now, as you guys know, in this on the clock, the shorthand is the hour, and then the longhand is the minute. So in this case, the yellow clock, it identifies a different color. So red, the shorthand is the hour, and then blue, the longhand is the minute. So yeah, this is 3 o'clock. So now when I take the minute hand, the blue hand, and take it to here, you guys got to think about what changed. Now talk to your partner about what changed. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over to the laminated clock, and I'm going to demonstrate a few things. Okay. So what you have here is 3:15. All right. So so you can see the long hand, the minute hand, went from 12 to 13, or I mean 12 to 3. Excuse me. So that 3 represents 15. You know, when we count by 5, 5, 10, 15. So that's something that you call a quarter after 3, okay? Now, let's say we move the minute hand to another 15 minutes. In this case, you move down to 6. 6 represents half past 3. So to kind of like sum it up a bit, the clock splits in like different quarters. Or it splits into quarters, I should say. 4 quarters, I should say. So when you split the clock in half, you, that's why it's called, so you split it in half. That's why it's called half past when the minute hand goes to the 6. But when you go, when you split a half in half, that's called a quarter. So that's why when you go to the 3, that it's a quarter after 3. Now, let's say the hour hand is still at 3, but then the minute hand goes at 4. Now, what I want you to do is talk to your partner, like talk to your partner about what you see here. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now looking at this time, can anybody tell me why this? So this is identified as a quarter till 4. So can anybody identify what a quarter? Why this is called a quarter till 4 instead of a quarter after 3? Yes, Mia. I'm sorry? That's okay. We have extra ones, and we'll get to that in a second. All right? Yes, Zai. Okay, good shot. Theo. Oh, okay. All right, so now I'm going to ask you to bring out your laminated clock. So Mia, you said you don't have a laminated clock, so I'll have you write in this.
You copy them.
Hmm?
You copy them.
Yes, they have one.
The one that's in the plastic. You gotta,
Oh, yeah, I have a laminated clock actually. Yeah, so Mia, you have a so we have an extra laminated clock for you. So do you need one to?
no. Good, what if you just borrow one of these?
Yeah, you could just borrow one of the yellow laminated clocks. Sorry? It's okay. We'll get it to you. Anybody else here need a laminated clock? No? Okay. You need one, Ariel? Here you go. Here's that mic there. You have your laminated clock? Here, Micah, how about we use this one for now? No, it's fine. Use this one for now. Okay. Okay, now we went through the concept of quarters and after, quarter before, and half past. So now I'm gonna have you guys practice on your laminated clocks, how to build those times. So the first time I want you to write on your laminated clock is 3:15. Can you guys show me what 3:15 looks like and then put it up? Good. Good, okay, good. Very good. You guys all got that correct. Now, can you guys show me, show me 3:30? Micah. Oh, you need a marker? Here you go. Mm-hmm. And pull it up when you're done. Yes. Not quite, but nice try. Yes. Not quite, but a good try. No, not quite, but good try. Yes. Not quite. Good job. Okay, so some of you struggled on that, so I'll show you what it actually looks like. So 3:30 is you got the hour hand pointing at 3, and then 3:30. Remember, the long hand, the minute hand points at 6. All right. Now, show me show me a quarter till 4. Mm-hmm. Not quite, but good try. Not quite. Not quite. Yes. Not quite, good try though. Not quite. Not quite. Okay, yeah, so yes. Yes, so yeah, it looks like you guys struggle on that one too. So a quarter till 4. So when you say till, that's before 4. So therefore, the hour hand is pointing at the 3, or in between the 3 and 4, and that still represents 3. And then remember, a quarter till is at 9. So that's like 15 minutes before 4. All right. Now, what I'm gonna have you guys do right now is I'm gonna have you guys keep your laminated clocks out, and we're gonna do something a little bit different here. So what I want you guys to do is show me the digital time. So I'll run through some samples to show you what it actually looks like. So let's say we got 3 o'clock, right? I asked for. So I'm gonna put 3 o'clock. This is the time, 3 o'clock. And then when I went so you guys will write right here in this little corner right here. That's all I need to see, just to write in this little corner. So I wrote 3 o'clock, and the digital time would be 3 o'clock. Now, or if I go to 3:15, if I write that down, then here I would write 3:15. All right. Now let's actually put it into play this time. Now, can you guys show me the digital time of this time on the regular clock? And remember, we'll write the digital time on this little corner right there where the circle is at. Good, good. Good. Very good. Not quite. Yes, yes. Good job, good job. Good job. Okay, yes. So 3:30 is the time. Very good. All right, so this whole time we've been focusing on the hour hand staying on 3. So for this one, we'll switch it up a little bit. Test your knowledge a little bit. Excellent, good. Okay, good, good. Good, 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 good. Okay, so looks like a lot of you guys got that correct. So it's 4:45. All right, we'll do one more. So what time is this? Okay, good. Not quite, but close. Good, good, good. Good, not quite. Oh, close. Good, good. Okay, so it is 5 o'clock. Yeah. Because remember the hour hand is pointing at the 5. All right, class. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pass you guys a worksheet that I want you guys to take some time to work it on. And I'll put the worksheet in over the projector so you guys can see what it is. Alrighty, I'm gonna pass you the worksheet and then I'll explain what you guys need to do shortly, so you guys can get a better understanding of what you guys need to do. So right now, at this point, I want to see you guys to your desk. I don't. You guys can put away your laminated. Well, actually, no. I take that back. You can keep your laminated clocks and keep your yellow clocks out for a little help. You can use that too. Yes, that would be perfect. Thank you. Here, I'm going to explain the directions. Okay, class. Okay, may everybody sit at your desk right now, please? Oh, God. All right. Here you go. Class.
Yes.
May we all sit down behind our desk, please? Because I can't start until everybody's sitting down. So does anybody not have a worksheet? Everybody's got a worksheet. Okay, good. So what I want you guys to do is work on these 8 questions from numbers 5 to 12. You don't worry about these top ones here. Worry about these 8. You guys can work, and you guys can work with your table partner. And I'll go around and help you. All right? Go. Yes. So class. So I'll do a little rundown of well, what are the questions here? So, like I said, don't worry about these first 4 questions. It's just these 8 here. So class. Do I have your attention? Okay. So we got this time here, number 5, right? So they ask us write the time on the digital clock. Write 2 ways to say the time. So we got this time here. So remember, you got to look at the minute hand and the hour hand, what they're pointing at. So I see the hour hand is pointing at 8. So the hour is 8. Now the minute hand is pointing at the 9. And remember, going through our concept of quarter till, quarter after, half past. It's at the 9. So remember, 9 is quarter till 9. So in that case, it's 45. So like I said, it's a quarter till 9. So that's what you say. A quarter till 9. So those are your 2 ways how you're supposed to write the answers for each of the questions. All right? And I'm gonna go ahead and dim the lights for you guys. Remember, you guys can work together. You guys gotta do it out. So that's your one way. Well, for now, yeah, just say quarter, just say quarter or half, like what it is. Okay. How we doing, Gabby? In here? You know? So we already did this answer here. We need to write that. You see it? Once you're done with this question, I want you to do this on all the other questions. Because we can't do it. We're taking a video. No, but that's not important, so let's focus on this. What did you do? What did you do? Gavin, you're not, hey, we're not talking right now to you, your classmates. Right now, we'll focus on this worksheet, okay? Okay, this is the go one question at a time. Let's make sure we're covering everyone. No, there's no back. Yes, go ahead. And then you get home. Yes, go ahead. So, is it quarter pass, quarter till, or half pass? That's what I'm looking for. Good job, cool. So what do we do? We're not doing that right now. Just sit back in the desk and hope Penelope is soon. Let's not do that. You need to help. Okay, well, how about we sit down and we just keep in our desk for now. All right, class, you guys we're working really hard. But for now, let's focus back up front. So, you guys learned about the concept of quarters, like quarter till, quarter pass, half pass, and you guys got to practice them on your laminated clocks, yellow clocks, and your worksheets with your partner. So now, with all that being said, I want you to turn to your partner and discuss with them what a quarter two is. When to say a quarter two? That's what you have to discuss with your partner. Okay. Class.
Yes.
Oh, come on. You guys could be a little louder than that. Class.
Yes.
That's more like it. Okay, so you guys just talked about with your partner when to say quarter two. Now, but how do you know when to say quarter two instead of quarter after? Can anybody answer that? Yes. You forgot. Okay, do you want to phone a friend? I saw your hand. Okay, well, we'll wait for that. So nobody knows what it means. Why we say quarter two instead of quarter till? or a quarter past instead of a quarter till. Yes, Ariel. Okay. So remember, class. So we talked about. So the hour hand is on the 3, right? Now, when you say you got the minute hand on the 3, that's only like, so remember 3 is 15, and that's 15 minutes past 3 o'clock. Class.
Yes.
So remember, this is the 3:15. So therefore, it's a quarter past 3. Now, let's say we keep the hour hand at 3, and then we switched it the minute hand to 9. Now remember, 9 is 45, and that's remember it's 5, 10, 15 minutes till it turns 4. So that's when you say quarter till. Got it?
Got it.
Awesome. Now, I got these little these little handouts here. I'm gonna pass them to each and every one of you, and then I'm gonna give you further directions what they do. Does anybody, you want to help out, Theo? Well, Theo volunteered to help out, so. And Ariel and Theo, if you have the extras, you could just pass them to me. Or Autumn, excuse me. The red hair is throwing me off. I'm sorry. Thank you, Autumn. All right, everybody has questions, just hold your thoughts. We're gonna move on to the next step. So, what you guys have here are your little mini clock worksheets, right? Isaiah? Gavin? I'll wait. Okay, so you got this a little worksheet of clocks, right? So what I want you guys, so I'm gonna show you what you guys will be doing. You'll be like, I'm gonna give you guys a time written in words, and what you guys are gonna do, you're gonna build your clock, well, what that time looks like on this clock, and then you guys are also gonna give me the digital time. So, and then you guys are also going to tell me how to say either a quarter till a quarter past, or half past. And I'll give you a little sample. So, thank you, Eliana. So, let's say I say 3:00. And then I also say 4:00. Thank you. Now I said 3:00 and 4:00, and I'll have the question up on the projector here in a second. But this is a little sample for now. So I said 3:00. So what I want you to do is write what it looks like on the clock. So this is 3:00, and then you also got 4:00. Now on this side, under where it says date, you write down quarter till, quarter past, or half past. So here it's 3:00. So actually, let's switch this up. Let's say 3:15 and let's say 4:30. 3:15 and 4:30. So I'll have that written on the back here, and then you guys build it on your clock what that time looks like, and you guys under the date will write quarter past 3. And then over here on the opposite side, you're gonna write the digital time. 3:15. Then same with here. You build the time. This is the 4:30, and then on this side you'll write the digital time 4:30, and then on this side under where it says date, you guys will write quarter till 5. Got it? Yes, Mr. Reyes. Alrighty. I like that. I like that a little better. Okay. Now, these are the 2 times that I'm going to give you. And remember, by the way, this is your exit ticket. No. You guys wish, don't you? So what you're going to do, once you finish working on this, you guys will come up here and then place it on top of Mrs. Birmingham's desk, right here. And then you guys should just sit down quietly, okay?
Are we supposed to cut it out?
No, you don't cut it out.
You're drawing those 2 times on the clock. Guys, draw those 2 times on the clock. 7:45 and 8:15.
Yes. 7:45 and 8:15. Here. No, you do not cut it out. So this is what I want to see. I want to see build time digital for order. Or okay, this is what I want to see on your worksheet. Micah, can I have you sit at your desk, please? No. Right now, just sit down. Too many people are gonna have to start with their pencil.